So first, you go into your inbox, come to the top here where the dots are. You choose the dots, and then you go through to look for the form. They've changed their logo, their icon. This is the icon now. Then you come in here, and then we have templates to choose from. So depending on the form you're about to fill, you get to choose the templates, or you can start from scratch. So let's just go with the template they already have. And then with this, you can just edit it to fit your taste. So you can say introduction. And then when you are done with everything you need to do, you come to publish. So you can share the link with anyone. And then also, it depends on the role you want the people to have in your form. So when we go to manage, people can view only, people can edit, people can respond only. So it depends on what you want the others to have, the permission you want the others to have, and we'll take it from there.